Let us solve this time and work problem. It was asked in CAT 2024 in slot 2. The problem says that Amal Vimal together can complete a task in 150 days, while Vimal and Sunil together can complete the task in 100 days. Amal starts the work and then Vimal comes and then Sunil comes. So this is the condition that is given in the problem. If you do not understand the concept of time and work, go in the description box, find link of a video that will explain as to how I am solving problem over here. We have made 10 to 12 videos only for you on this particular topic, and this one is really very important because if you write CAT, you certainly are going to be having one question from time and work, certainly. What I'm going to do in this problem, I will be taking LCM of days that are mentioned in the problem, which is 150 and 100, and that comes out as 300. So what I'm going to do with this LCM, I will say that my total work out here is 300 units, right? Since Amal and Vimal are working at it for 150 days, whereas Sunil and Vimal are working at it for 100 days, and in both of the situations the work is getting completed. And since my work is 300 units, so can I say that Amal and Vimal, they are doing these 300 units in 150 days, so they are doing 2 units per day, right? Similarly, Vimal and Sunil, they are completing these 300 units in 100 days, so they are doing 3 units per day. Now let us proceed with the problem. It says that Amal starts the work. So I'm going to assume that Amal does A units of the work and then A units of work per day. Similarly, Vimal is going to be doing V units per day, and Sunil is going to be doing small s units per day, right? Amal starts the work and he does 75 A units, because each day if Amal does A units per day, so in 75 days Amal is going to be completing 75 A units, and then Amal is gone. Now comes Vimal, and Vimal is working for 135 days. Now we know that Vimal does V units per day. So in 135 days, Vimal is going to be doing these many units, and then Vimal is gone, and then comes Sunil, and Sunil is completing the rest of the work in 45 days. So now you understand this is going to be 45s. And should I say that this is nothing but the total work? Finally, the entire work is getting completed, and the entire work that we have taken is 300 units. Now what I should do, so that, because I do not know the values of A, V and S, but what do I know? I know the sum of A and V, and I know the sum of V and S, and this is what I should utilize. So I have been given 75A. So if I make the pair of A and V probably and take 75V from here, and 45S is there, right? And if you take 45VS is there, so if you take 45S from here, V from here, my bad, 45 days of Vimal's work, so 75 plus 45, that is going to be 120 plus 15V. Are you getting that? So what did I do? I just have done this mathematically. 135V over here, 135 days work of Vimal, 75 days work of Vimal, 15 days work of Vimal, and over here 45 days work of Vimal. This total has to be nothing but 300. Now can I say that this is going to be 75 days work of Amal and Vimal both, and this one out here is going to be 45 days work of Sunil and Vimal both, and this one is 15 days work of Vimal alone, that is 300 units. Now let us plug in those values that we know. In one day Over here they are doing 2 units per day, so collectively they are going to be completing 150 units. In one day they are doing 3 units, so 45 into 3, that is going to be what, 135, plus 15 days work of Vimal, and that is 300. So 15 days work of Vimal is going to be what, 300 negative 285, this is 15 units. So we have found out that Vimal does 1 unit per day. And since you understand that Vimal does 1 unit per day, you had Amal plus Vimal, they were doing 2 units, out of which Vimal does 1 unit per day, so Amal does 1 unit per day. Similarly, Vimal and Sunil, they were doing 3 units per day, out of which Vimal does 1 unit per day, so Sunil is going to be doing what, 2 units per day. That's how the sum is going to be 3. So what do we know so far? We know that Amal does 1 unit per day, Vimal does 1 unit per day, and Sunil is doing 2 units per day. And the problem is asking you to find out if Vimal had worked on every, so it says that if Amal had started the task alone and worked on all days, so Amal is working on the first day and then second day and then third day and the fourth day, so forth and so on. Vimal had worked on every second day, Sunil had worked on every third day, and then the number of days required to complete the task. Let us see this. It's pretty simple thing. What I'm gonna do, I got Amal and then Vimal and then Sunil, right? On the very first day, Amal starts the work. On the second day, with Amal comes Vimal. On the third day, with Amal comes Sunil. On the fourth day, with Amal again comes Vimal. On the fifth day, only Amal is working. On the sixth day, with Amal, who is going to be there? This fellow is going to be there, right? Because he is going to be working at it on second day and then the fourth day and then the sixth day. Sunil is going to be working on third day and then the sixth day. Now, what is going to happen? Amal, Vimal and then Sunil. I just want to show you a pattern out here. Seventh day. Who is going to be working at it on seventh day? Obviously, Amal is going to be coming, right? Eighth day, with Amal comes Vimal. On ninth day, with Amal comes Sunil. And then 10th day, obviously Amal and Vimal, right? And what is going to be happening on 11th day? So because 9th day and then 10th day, and then if you look at it, 11th day, only Amal is working, and on 12th day Amal is coming, Vimal is coming, and Sunil is also coming. So do you see that? Do you see there is a pattern? First day and then second day and then the third day. What is this? Total is 1 unit, and over here 2 units, and then 3 units, and then 2 units, and then 1 unit, and then 4 units. On the 7th day, it is 1 unit, and then 2 units, and then 3 units, further 2 units, and then 1 unit, and then 4 units. So it is a cycle that is going to be repeated. So after every 6 days, the cycle gets repeated. So it is 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is 6 plus 2, 8, 8, and then 5. It is 13 units. So in 6 days, how many units are getting completed, people? 13 units of the work is getting completed in 6 days. And what is the total work that we have? We have got a total of 300 units. So what should be our objective? First of all, let me find out the nearest multiple. If I divide 300 by 13, so this is 2. So what is the interpretation out here? There will be a total of 23 such cycles of 6 days each, right? So for 23, there are 23 cycles that is getting repeated, right? And then 23 into how many units are going to be will be completed in each cycle? 13 units. So if you multiply, this is nothing but 399 units. So what is this? 299 units. So how many days are there? So collectively, if I look at it, because this is a cycle of 6 days each, 138 days work is done, right? And then there will be another cycle, and on that day, on the very first day, who is going to be coming? Amal is going to be coming, and Amal does 1 unit per day. So that rest of 1 unit, because the total work was 300 units, 299 units are done in 138 days, right? So on 139th day, Amal comes and does that remaining work, 1 unit of the work, and this entire thing is done. So what is the right answer over here? 139 days. And it was a theta problem, so the options were not given to you in the problem. But I hope you have understood as to how I am approaching the problem, right? So if you do not understand the concept, please do not worry. There are 12 video lessons made only for you on time and work problem topic. Learn those, crack CAT, and go to IIMS.